games and very interesting. It was fun dressing up in medieval clothes. I liked the picnic because it was fun.
My favourite memory at Pashley is when I met my friends and teachers. I did not have a favourite teacher. I liked them all the same amount.
There are many memories at Pashley, but my favourite one is when we all went to the Hastings Art Gallery in Year 2. We all sat on the beach and had lunch. I remember that we saw a fisherman catch 5 fish at the same time.
I loved being an eco-warrior because it was so much fun looking after the earth. We went to the park and we picked litter with a litter picker. We did an assembly and it was so much fun.
My favourite memory in Year 2 is when we went to the art gallery that had lots of amazing pictures in it. We made tricky post-it books and looked at great sculptures that had been built many years ago. My memory is when I went in the Pashley Woods with my friends.
I remember being in the school council. We told Miss Lewis our ideas and helped decide which animals would be our Pashley values. It was so much fun. Also, I remember making cupcakes as I really love baking. We invited our mummies and daddies in and decorated them. But the best bit was eating them.
My favourite memory is when we went to the theatre to see Cinderella. And I liked it because we got to sit next to our friends, my friends, and we laughed and chatted. And when I came out, it was dark and I got to stay up late.
Actually, is when I got stuck at Lewis Castle and we played a lot of games and we waited for this bus driver to come. And he took 2 hours to get here. What kind of...
My best Year 2 memory at Pashley! My favourite Year 2 memory is when we were reading Into the Woods and the Wolf Story. Because we found porridge, sweets, plastic bags, ribbon and gloves. My favourite memory of Pashley Down was when I first moved schools on my first day. It was when I went to my first assembly at Christmas. We were walking to the hall and everybody wanted to hold my hand. And at playtime, they were all kind to me. I'll never forget Pashley Down. My favourite Pashley memory. When I was in Badgers with Mrs. Thomas and Mrs. Rogers, Bob Biddle came to school. He is a children's author and illustrator, and he came to school to show us how to draw one of his characters. I remember when I was in Fox's class with Miss Kosh. We had medieval day. I loved dressing up. It made me feel joyful. My favourite Pashley memory. When I was in Golden Panda Club with Mr. McInnes, we went pond dipping. We caught a slithery and slimy newt. It crawled along like a slithery snake with legs.
I remember when one of the chickens came in the classroom, no one noticed.
When I was in Woodpeckers with Miss Dyer, we made the cutest fairy cakes. And when we went to the farm and we saw sheep, cows and donkeys in reception. Also when Rod came to school and taught us how to draw.